MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, and TireRack.com.
I'm here at Conservate in Hagerstown, Maryland. 40 to 45,000 vehicles are shredded here each year. Their materials are then used to make entirely new products, which is a win for the environment. All right, I'm going to put on my safety gear and head out to check out the shredding plant. Just look at this place. Very cool. Vehicles are actually the most recycled objects in the United States. Globally, 27 million vehicles are recycled each year. 12 million of those vehicles come from the United States. Once plastics are removed, what's left of the modern automobile are most metals, such as iron, aluminum, and steel. All can be efficiently recycled.
The individual metals are separated using magnets and other technology. So a car goes in, mixed metals and waste, and it comes out as furnace-ready steel, aluminum, copper, brass. The benefits of recycling automobiles is you're taking something that has very little value and breaking it down into items that can be reused or recycled.
Recycled vehicles in the U.S. and Canada provide enough steel to build about 13 million new vehicles. Plus, recycling end-of-life cars eliminates the need for 85 million barrels of oil that would otherwise be used to make new and replacement car parts.
Being able to make new metal from recycled metal saves a ton of energy. It's much more environmentally friendly, from emissions to the energy that's used to melt the aluminum or steel, to the mining that takes place to get the raw materials that would be necessary to make new copper or new aluminum or new iron.
It's no wonder the car recycling industry is the 16th largest in the United States, contributing about $25 billion to the national gross domestic product.
The steel from automobiles goes to steel mills that make items from rebar to I-beam to plate to coil. They can be used to make new cars, appliances. They're used in buildings, bridges. They can be used for making new equipment.
Recycling cars is nothing new. It's been underway since the first vehicles rolled off the production line well over 100 years ago. Its success is built on an entrepreneurial spirit, a love of cars, and a desire to satisfy the needs of an evolving automotive ecosystem. Cars are more complex these days, so it's only gotten more challenging for recyclers as far as effectively recovering all of the metals.
The technology in the auto recycling industry has also been improving. It's allowing us to identify and capture scrap metals that otherwise we weren't able to, such as insulated copper wire, circuit boards, and also the sizing of what we're able to capture now. We're able to capture much smaller part sizes versus what we were previously able to do.
So all the cars that come in, they're all different, every make and model. So it kind of gives you a challenge to figure out how to process them the best way. And that's probably why I like my job.
Conservate employees also feel good knowing with each car they crush, our planet is being preserved for future generations.
It's nice to know that these items aren't going to be landfilled or disposed of in a way that's not beneficial for the environment.